Hello, this is my video blogging. This time I would like to share about one part of a speech oral communication strategies. It is delivery of a speech. There are four modes how to deliver our speech. You have many options for the way by which you deliver your speech. These options have their inherent pluses or minuses. The first one is reading a script. This should be the simplest to do, provided you can read the script under the conditions of the event. If you are using printout, use the fonts or font size that you can easily read. If these are laid out on a lectern or a conference table, also your presentations might make you more away from the script, as when you have to go to chalkboard, whiteboard, or imagine the awkwardness of bringing your script or between the board and the lectern. The second one is the reciting from a memory. Being able to recite from a memory can be very expressed, and it can easily gives your listeners the expressions that you are truly masters of your message, but truly mastered your script through rehearsal and manage your stage fright. You might suffer from a mental block. One way to go back or go about this is to try to intemporize. Your memory does not become depend on the strings of words. Rather, because you have made overview of your script, you could even skip parts if required. The third one is the extemporaric speaking. Extemporizing from notes or an outline is a delivery technique you may resort to. If you lack the time to write a script but you have done your research and are fairly sure of what you want to say and how to say it, or if you want to be flexible in your speech, in preparing your notes or outline, use the same principles for discourse organizations as in a speech writing. The sequence of ideas as quite critical, and sounds should be fully written out. The last one is the impromptu speaking. Thinking your feet as best handled by not thinking on your feet. This means that any occasions of impromptu speaking, such as interview or conversation, should be treated as an occasion or deliver ideas and expressions that you have been building up. As you prepare for a speech, events that require impromptu speaking, you should accumulate a stock or words, phrases, and sentences that effectively communicate your ideas in spoken form. You should also rehearse your lines, and the most successful and spontaneous sounding delivery is also the most rehearsed. Even stand-up comics rehearse, and these result in their ability